So boys, so nakita nga natin dito that Aldous Torculas transferred to San Beda, and for me, this is a way bigger move than Payosing transferring to UP kasi si Aldous, I feel like from a UAP talent moving to the NCAA will just be beneficial for his career. Nagets ko yung bakit niya ginagawa yun, which is he's gonna get more minutes definitely with San Beda. Could be a focal point for them, could be a first option or at the very least second option. Think about it. Kasi Aldous kasi is a 6'4 wing, 6'4", 6'5", however you wanna view it. Can slash, can shoot, and with additional confidence as my green light to do whatever he wants in the NCAA. All while being in the system of Coach Yuri, hindi naman sinasabi na bibigay yung bola kay Aldous then get out of his way. It's more of, I think, Coach Yuri will find ways to utilize their newest recruit. Pero yun nga, may 1-year residency muna before Aldous could play. So season 102 yung next. But regardless, a UAP player moving to the NCAA, more than likely, they always perform well. So, funny yung trade, no? Pero from what I know naman, hindi naman talaga siya trade. It's more of a coincidence. But, however you view it, it's the better move for San Beda. Getting Torculas will just increase their ceiling even further kahit NCAA Finals MVP si James Payosing. But again, that's just me. Let me know what you think about this. And funny yung trade angle. Wala lang. It's just funny kasi diba, it's a school base and yeah, I guess whatever. You know what it is. Peace.